Mabuhay, maayong gabi sa tanan akong followers, viewers o supporters. Guys, ako si Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. A blessed weekend to everyone. Um, Guys, a few days ago, I did not made my video clips because I was not feeling well. I was suffering uh, not feeling well, not to be specific. So hindi ako nakapag-ready, hindi ako nakapag-prepare ng video clips ng actual or accurate vlogging ko sa isang lugar, sa isang restaurant. Maybe guys, maybe on tomorrow or on Monday, I will be having a schedule for filming to make that video clips and to be uploaded on next week. For now,